Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Adobe unlicensed app error. So, let's get started. First, search for Windows Firewall in the search box. Click on Windows Defender Firewall and then select Advanced Settings. Now, open Inbound Rules and click on New Rule. Select the Program option and click Next. Click on Browse and go to the location where the Adobe app is installed. Open the Support Files folder, then go to Contents and then Windows. Select the exe file and click Open. Click Next, select the Block the Connection option, then click Next again. Give a name to the rule and click on Finish. Now, go to Outbound Rules and repeat the same process. Next, create another inbound rule. This time, go to the Adobe folder and open the Adobe Creative Cloud Experience folder. Select the ccxprocess.exe file and click Open. Give this rule a name and click Finish. Repeat the same steps for the outbound rule as well. Now, open the Adobe app and you should see that the error has been fixed. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.